Sandra Lee enjoyed a steamy makeout session with new boyfriend Ben Youcef on vacation in Saint-Tropez. This is Sandra's first public relationship since her split from Andrew Cuomo in 2019. Sandra Lee, 55, locked lips with new beau Ben Youcef, 42, in Saint-Tropez, France on Saturday, August 7, during the couple's European vacation. Nearly 2 years after her split from Andrew Cuomo, the celebrity chef was pictured packing on the PDA with Ben, an actor and producer, on the French Riviera over the weekend. Sandra shared a romantic kiss with her new boyfriend in one snapshot, while in another the happy couple grabbed a hold of each other while walking through the tourist-filled town. See page 6's photos of the couple on vacation here. While venturing through Saint-Tropez, Sandra was spotted placing her hand on Ben's butt, while Ben reciprocated the PDA by wrapping his arm around Sandra. The couple then held hands as they continued their stroll, and Sandra was beaming with a giant smile on her face. The cookbook author was dressed in a two-piece white cover-up, while Ben opted to wear a black polo and dark blue jeans. Sandra only recently began dating Ben. A source told People that the two met in March while each dining at a restaurant in Santa Monica. "It's very early, but they seem to have an undeniable connection," the source told the publication. "But both are taking things slowly and enjoying getting to know each other." Ben, per People, separated from his wife in 2019 and they filed for divorce in January 2020. He shares 2 children with his ex. Related gallery. Chrissy Teigen and John Legend and more stars on date night, pics. This is Sandra's first public relationship since her split with Andrew, 63, in September 2019. The two were dating for 14 years at the time of their split, and lived together in a Westchester County home that Sandra later moved out when she relocated to California in December 2020. Prior to her relationship with Andrew, Sandra was married to businessman Bruce Carrots from 2001 to 2005. While Sandra seems so happy with Ben, things are not exactly looking great for Andrew. On August 10, just 3 days after Sandra was pictured with her new man, Andrew resigned as governor of New York after investigation found evidence of sexual harassment against 11 women. Andrew said in the press conference that his resignation would be effective in 2 weeks, and during his apology he apologized both to his accusers and his daughters. "I apologized several days ago. I apologize today. I will apologize tomorrow. I will apologize the day after," the soon-to-be ex-governor said. Sandra has not publicly addressed the allegations against Andrew.